Sara, a curious and passionate reader, loves books but often finds herself struggling with English. One day, while exploring her neighbourhood, she stumbles upon an old, mysterious library. Intrigued, she decides to step inside, hoping to find books that can help her improve her English. Inside the library, Sara meets Mr. Bookman, an eccentric and wise librarian. Mr. Bookman reveals that this is no ordinary library. It's a magical place where books and words come to life. He offers to guide Sara through different sections of the library, each designed to help her master a different aspect of English. Mr. Bookman takes Sara to the land of vocabulary, a vibrant area where words float in the air and come alive. Sara meets Wordy, a friendly creature made of words, who teaches her new vocabulary through games and puzzles. Wordy challenges Sara with a word-matching game and a crossword puzzle. With each new word she learns, Sara feels more confident and excited about her progress. Next, Sara enters Grammar Grove, a lush forest where the trees talk and animated characters explain grammar rules. She meets Grammarina, a talking tree who guides her through the complexities of sentence structure, tenses, and punctuation. Sara learns to build sentences using leaves with different parts of speech and practices her grammar skills through fun exercises. By the end of her time in Grammar Grove, Sara has a better understanding of how to construct sentences correctly. Sara's journey continues to Pronunciation Peaks, a majestic mountain range where she must practice her pronunciation to reach the top. Along the way, she encounters magical creatures who speak English fluently. They teach her to pronounce tricky words and sounds. Sara practices tongue twisters and listens to the creatures' pronunciation tips. As she climbs higher, her pronunciation improves, and she gains confidence in speaking clearly. In Reading River, Sara floats down a gentle stream on a book-shaped boat. She reads various stories, articles, and poems along the way. Each piece she reads helps her improve her reading comprehension and speed. Sara discovers the joy of reading in English, finding that she can understand and enjoy the stories more easily as she progresses. This part of the journey reinforces the importance of regular reading practice. Finally, Sara arrives at Speaking Springs, a lively village where the villagers speak only English. Sara interacts with the villagers, practicing her speaking skills in real conversations. She talks to a baker about his recipes, chats with a gardener about plants, and shares stories with children in the village. These interactions boost Sara's confidence in speaking English and help her become more fluent. She learns that practice and conversation are key to mastering spoken English. Sara's adventure in the Magic Library comes to an end, and she feels a sense of accomplishment and confidence in her English skills. She thanks Mr. Bookman and promises to return to continue learning. As Sara leaves the library, she shares her journey with the audience, offering practical tips she learned along the way. Practice regularly and be patient with yourself. Use games and fun activities to make learning enjoyable. Read a variety of materials to improve comprehension. Engage in conversations to build speaking skills and confidence. Sara encourages viewers to find their own magic library and enjoy the process of learning English.